What's up, everybody? An update on the house. I ain't done it in a while, so I'll come on in. It's a 30 by 56, a 10-foot porch. Wrap my post in cedar. Gonna put a shiplap ceiling in here, but I ain't got around to it yet. Yeah, come on in here. Put a vaulted ceiling in it. Just a tongue and groove pine and stained dark walnut. Let's see, this be the kitchen area. Doing drywall, but I'm rusty. This little pantry, I put white shiplap in it. Made a little cubby hole for my microwave. I ain't got a back deck started. I'm gonna try my hand at this arched doorway. Don't be surprised if you see it again, it's square, but we'll see. I never done one before. Hallway, this be the kids' bathroom and kids' rooms. And I put angled closet. Just thought they looked neat. Did this, one for the light, other switch for the fan. Other bedroom is identical to that one. And be the utility room. All that good stuff. Master bedroom. Done that ceiling. I was going for herringbone, but I ended up doing more of a chevron. Sprayed it with like a satin polyurethane. So, a lot of work. Turned out kind of neat. And this master bathroom, really dark. We're gonna do white tile walls, so maybe it'll lighten it up. And master bed closet. So yeah, it's coming. Took me way longer than I wanted to, but it is what it is. This end of the house makes me think of the damn Alamo or something. But anyway, that's it. Y'all stay tuned. I appreciate you watching. Have a good one.